Let's level up your teaching game with Gemini Education in Google Sheets. Creating a dynamic and engaging schedule is a breeze with this powerful tool.
Imagine planning a unit on exploring national parks. You could ask Gemini to create a custom schedule. Just open a new Sheets project and click the Gemini icon. When the chat box appears, try a specific prompt like this one. Design a 6-week schedule for our 8th grade National Parks unit, incorporating weekly themes, activities, and assessments.
Gemini will generate a comprehensive plan, ensuring no important topic is missed.
Need activity ideas? Gemini has got you covered. In the chat box, I will type, suggest engaging activities for each week of our National Park schedule, including resources for online field trips, virtual guest speakers, and project presentations. As you can see, this information has now been added to my existing table. It would have taken me so much time to brainstorm and research this project on my own. And while I definitely need to review this information and make appropriate changes, you can see that Gemini got me off to an excellent start.